Timothy Markle, Discount Home Repairs of Clinton, Kentucky. Ever needed home repairs and didn't know who to call? Didn't know what to do? Call Timothy Markle at Discount Home Repair. Roofing, painting, flooring, room additions, patios, all types of home repair. Free estimates, and we don't get paid until the job is done. Discount Home Repair works 6 days a week. Discount Home Repair, Timothy Markle. Call today, 270-254-6527. No need to wait any longer. Pick up the phone today and call Discount Home Repair, Clinton, Kentucky.